Okay, so this is part 2 of our multiplying by area model and by the standard algorithm. And we're going to continue with a 3-digit by 2-digit number. Now I've gone ahead and wrote our acronym MZMA, which is for many zoos, many animals, which stands for multiply, then add the 0, multiply again, and then add it all together. I also went ahead and drew our area model so that we could compare the partial products to what we get with the standard algorithm. So we're going to start by, it's 214 times 34. So I broke up my area model into 200 plus 10 plus 4. And then it's multiplied by 30 and 4. So we're going to start off with 200 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6, and I see 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, which is 6,000. Then we have 30 times 10. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, and I see 1, 2, 0. So that would be 300. And then I have 30 times 4. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, and add 1 0. Which this would be 6,000 plus 300 plus 120. So this should equal 6,420 when we look for our partial products. Now let's go ahead and do 4 times 200, which 2 times 4 is 8, and there's 2 zeros. And 4 times 10, which is 40, and 4 times 4, which is 16. So that should be 800, 40, and 16, 856. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the standard algorithm. And remember, whenever you have numbers, 3 digits, 2-digit, 1-digit, whatever number has the greatest number of digits, that needs to go on top. So in this case, 214 has 3, and 34 has 2, so the 214 will need to be at the top, multiplied times the 34. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight what we're going to start off with. We're going to start off in the ones place, and we're going to multiply the 4 times 214, which is exactly what we did in our area model. So 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to carry that 1, regroup. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And 4 times 2 is 8, 856. That looks like this partial product right here. And now I'm going to, we just did our first M. And now we are on the 0, so we need to add our 0. And now we're on our second M, which is multiply in the tens place. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that one. Now we are multiplying 30 times 214. And you have to be kind of careful whenever you when you borrow and leave that there, because you don't want it to mess you up when you go to the next number. So I went ahead and erased it, but you can cross it out either way. So 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to regroup and carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. And so 30 times 214 is 6,420, and that looks like what we got here. And so now we're going to add. We are now on the last part, which is adding the partial products together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1 and regroup. 6 plus 1 is 7. That should be our total answer. And I don't think we did it on the other side, so let's do it over here too. 6, 4, 2, 0, and 8, 5, 6. That's 6, 7, 12, and 7. 72, 76. So we're going to practice these today, and I want you to do the area model and the standard algorithm, and I want you to identify your partial products just like I did. Okay, and I'm here if you need me.